Derek brought a Slingshot in to add on some more lights and audio. We started out by adding strips adjacent to some of the pre-existing ones, making them 2 and 3 times wide. Then we added some different patterns to the hood that kind of followed the different body lines that are there. We also added some to the rear over that tail fin spoiler there, and obviously on the outside of the pods that we created. So the big thing was the audio part of it. We focused on building 2 pods externally that can house 2 ground zero green basket 10-inch mid-bass drivers. We ported the enclosure so that it's tuned to be able to really beat at 50-60 hertz without any issue. It can play all the way up to 400 without any problem at all. The 2 red basket tweeters that are dropped into each side as well help bring in that high end that was kind of missing before with all the coaxials that he had in the interior of the vehicle. So now he's got a full range sound that's got a lot of mid bass, and definitely his lights has a lot of presence. One of the cool things we got to do with the pods is they're all built out of 1/2-inch PVC so that they're weatherproof. Then we body worked it with fiberglass and Bondo, and then utilized acrylic for our inlays and lighting, obviously. We were able to 3D print the ports ourselves, which was kind of fun. I got to draw and print those guys, and they installed down in the crevice right behind the top speakers. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It was a really loud Slingshot and super fun to be able to do, and kind of push the bar for me as far as custom stuff.